waiting for the train. First Euro trip and with Nana. Pakita mo naman backpack mo.
Ay! Jesus!
Yeah. I was just gonna ask you kung ano yung gagawin natin. The first thing we do when we get to Barcelona is oh, the Airbnb that we booked. Third floor pala siya and walang elevator. So, 10 maleta namin. What can you say?
We made it!
We made it! Hi guys! What up? We're all settled. Ready na kami. Lumabas at magsangkaya. See you again. It's me again. We walked for like 30 minutes just to get here. Martinez! Come on and open your eyes. Let me show you the light. Papagod kami. So we finally found Martinez and look at this view. And everybody's getting ready except us.
Si mabilis lang.
Yup. Tourist ba tayo, guys?
So casual.
We went all the way to Park Güell, but apparently you can only buy tickets if it's 8 p.m. onwards because madaming tao. So now, you're stuck again. Tenga. Going up, we're at Park Güell. It's so hot though. Hello! Pag vlogger talaga kasama mo, lahat nagpo-photo.
I know, right?
Pagod na kami. So, hindi namin pinag-usapan, pero besties talaga tayo. Matching! Nakapusan ka ng tela. Kami yung tipong ayaw bumigay kasi ito yung pilano ko, tapos ito yung pilano niya. So, also, pwede tayong picnic table. Okay, yung tela.
Higa na tayo. Uupuan na tayo ng tao.
Since kami ni Nicole, parehas nung print, kami ni Nana. Na naman. Yung ribbon niya na dyan! Twinning!
Narambla.
Yeah, okay. So we changed kasi sobrang init and sobrang mukha. Kami yung tourist kanina, may bus! May bus! We're at La Rambla at La Boqueria and we're about to eat some food. What? Always my favorite when I'm in Europe. Yeah. Hindi ko sure kung gusto ko ng lollipop pero we're getting the special. Sarap, salmon.
Lang matunek.
Karma.
Ate girl. Hi. Mine not yet. Maybe you forgot.
Ano na? Ano na?
Wearing the rainbow is out.
Oh, ito to! Oh, di ba bagay sa kanya? Cheers! Ano yan? Vodka. Ito. We found a place where we can chill.
We're going to Barceloneta.
Saan yun?
It is by the beach. It's just 30 minutes away from here. By
Si Nana.
taxi,
Si Nana.
by taxi is like 10 minutes away because I am a local. I know everything.
Wait, where are we going? We're going to the beach? We're going to the beach?
Yes.
We're going to the beach? Yung funnest trips ko are always the spontaneous ones. And since we don't have a schedule, ang saya namin.
It's so random.
So random. Tapos we just asked the bartender kanina kung saan yung okay na place to go to now. And they said beach daw kasi may party. So, Makikisunod lang na kami. So, makikisunod lang kami. Naka-crop top na si ate girl. Are we?
Barceloneta.
Sonal! Neta. Diyan siya na sa pretenda. The trio ulit! It's day 3 and I think we had too much fun last night. We started the day late. It's 1 p.m. and Nana already reserved the table for us. So we are on our way to lunch. Dead lahat ng tao. Sa lahat ng clips natin, ngayon lang kayo hindi nagsasalita. Kailangan na energy. I'm hungry. How are you feeling, Nicole? Great, no? Because you lost your voice. Everyone's starving. So, dalawang rice in order namin. Nicole had way too much fun. A dinosaur. You know, I love you when you drink. So, we are at Barry Gothic after lunch and our first stop is the cathedral. For lunch na and
We're touring.
may energy na kami. May energy na kami. See,
And may narata.
their government building. Cam, saan ulit to?
Another place is City Hall. The government buildings are here. This is also where protests usually happen.
What's nice about our group is we know when to take photos and we know when to have fun. So right now, it's OOTD time!
Ay, video pa rin
Video siya. Sorry. Guess what my useless purchase is today? Useless, but I love it. How cool is this? I'm gonna go closer. These are all photos. We just finished eating ice cream and crepes and churros and I'm so sleepy. As in, ganito na siguro yung mukha ko buong day. Siya yung nagtuturo ko sa kami pupunta because I'm useless like that. Mami kami. We are now at Casa Batlo and it's designed by Gaudi. Get free audio guides. Guys, I love the audio guide because they explain everything. You can see, everyone's an audio guides. Tapos, makikita mo lahat dito. Like, it also moves. It's so cool. Now, we have dinner at El Nacional. Super nice. So, apparently, they have like different restaurants inside one huge space. Also visited La Sagrada Familia. But it's still under construction and I don't know when it'll be done. So we said we wouldn't be drinking tonight. Sabi niya, ayaw na niya, but
it's because, you need to hydrate with alcohol ulit.
Day 4, and since it's a Sunday today, we are going to Sitges. It's a beach area full of restaurants and cafes, so we are going to try that out. Finally here at Sitges, or Sitges, but it's so nice. Look. Ang ganda dito. Nakaka-inlove. Semi-matching but not really. It's just, alam mo, tourist kami sa suot namin. You don't know?
Sobrang I look Spanish.
Okay, speak Spanish.
Hola. Suave-suavecito.
And to us. So, we just finished taking photos outside, but it's so hot. So, we decided to just go inside a cute cafe and order some more sangria. Because sangria is now life here in Spain. May kukulamin ka dun.
Ano gagawin ko?
Laugh. So we're back in Parkwell because the last time we were here, tickets were sold out. So now we went back on a Sunday and getting our tickets. We reserved it online. Kaya pa. So first time nangyari, now we're first in line. We made it! So nice here. It's so nice. Sa Instagram ko na to nakikita before, guys.